Did you miss Alina?
Okay. Look, Duke fell asleep while looking out the window, waiting for his dad to come home.
Not allowed on the bed, you. No! Yeah.
Good morning! Shut up.
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
Woody, I'm so hungry I can eat a dog.
I'll be right back. Move your nose.
Tell him, say, I need you to put the cat down. Please. Ask him nicely.
You don't stop biting my hands, I'm gonna bite yours.
Is that your baby, Ella? Yeah, is that your baby?
I'm ready for adoption.
Get off. Talk shit. Talk shit. Do not.
The 10, but she has no concept of personal space.
Move! That's not what I meant at all.
Did you hear about the neighbor? She heard her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy?
It's Mama!
Good job!
Hello! Hello! Hello!
Thank you.
Gotcha.
I don't know why you even left it open. If you was done, you'd have came. Girl.
Hey, look at all these wieners.
Hi, wiener. Allowed on the bed, you. No! Yeah.
Your mom looks like a dog.
I said no dogs on my pillow.
Are you serious?
Nacho, that's not your seat. That's not your seat, Nacho. That's Leo's seat. Come on, move over. Nacho, that's Leo's seat. Move over, Nacho.
Bad dog. I don't want to see any of these like good boys and good girls sitting.
Mason, what'd you just do?
Wow, you're dramatic. Are you kidding? I'm using it.
Really, Layla?
Get your tongue off my door. Get it off my door.
My hand is thick, right? Now you see how far apart these are? Like nothing. It's nothing. Yeah, well, you don't know how to fucking jump.
Hi. Can I touch you? Oh, okay.
Hi, Frankie. It's Daddy.
Hey, who is this pretty girl? Look at you sitting all pretty. Smell it.
Döveceğim ben. Seni döverim böyle. Aa.
Come on. Toda la gente que fue. ¡A la verga! ¡Un perro con lentes, mamá!
Leo! Leo! No!
You can't come. I have to go to work. I'm really sorry.
Let's go, kids. Let's go, kids.
Look at you. You're so pretty.
No, no, no. No, he's sleeping.
Oh, 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 oh.
Look, Duke fell asleep while looking out the window, waiting for his dad to come home. I'll be right back. Move your nose.
Get the fuck out of here.
Another one. Go. Hey, don't you bark at me, bitch. Are you good?
You don't stop biting my hands, I'm gonna bite yours.
Mason, what'd you just do?
Gonna do what about it and how to do what about it.
This is my new carpet. It's new! Come on, man!
It's okay, don't cry. You're fine. You'll get it back.
Hi, baby, I love you.
I love you.
You can't come. I have to go to work. I'm really sorry.
You are not going back outside. No, you're not. You better stop talking back there.
What is it, Zoe? What is it? What is it? Oh my goodness. Is it a ducky? Is it a ducky? Is it a ducky?
Darius.
What's he doing? Good morning. Good morning.
Why is he looking at me like that? What's up, little bud? Got a staring problem, pal?
She literally stopped at the same time.
You?
Did you chew that receipt? Did
chew that?
Quit. We're not friends anymore. You gotta have a permit for that. Oh, you growling at me? Don't show off.
If you're happy and you know, say I will.
Oh, so scary until I open the crate.
Get a whisper? Oh, that's not a whisper. Can I get a whisper? Good job.
Really, Layla?
I'm so sorry. Roxy. Did you find a wolf? Did you find a wolf? Yes, you did. Hi. Oh my god.